How to start and close Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is now made more accessible with the Read Aloud feature. Here's how to start and close this feature in Edge. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to use Read Aloud on Microsoft Edge. With Read Aloud, text can be turned into audible words, making Microsoft Edge more inclusive to users with reading difficulties. And activating this feature is easy and straightforward. On Microsoft Edge, go to the web page, document, or PDF you wish to read, click on the three-dot menu on the upper right corner of the address bar, and select Read Aloud. The Features toolbar will then appear at the top of the page. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+U to activate Read Aloud. However, if you want Edge to read aloud a specific excerpt, highlight and right-click it and select. To stop this feature, simply click on the X icon on the right side of the toolbar, press Ctrl+Shift+U again, or close the tab or browser. With features like Read Aloud, Microsoft Edge is easier and more convenient to use. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to start and close Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge, linked in the description below.